Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you just a good old farm truck, 78 F150. We bought it from a farmer here in South Dakota that I just didn't use anymore. He used it on his farm for a while, and he decided to go a different route. So pretty good, solid truck. Obviously a repaint, not the original color. My guess would be brown. Dash is brown. I'm sure the seat's brown. Yep. Dome light works there. Headliner, they got a little shelf up here. Tack, four-wheel drive, 4-speed. There they put a temp gauge in there, radio. Everything works on them. You look at my running video. And everything works except for the blinkers are a little funky. We may have to put a blinker switch in. They said they backed into it with the tractor, so they took the bed off and put an aluminum flatbed on it. So if you want to use this to work, that definitely increases the value of it. So this is a nice retro work truck. As you can see, there's a few scratches on both sides and the white there, and they got a little ding right here. But look at the pictures, it isn't rusty, just a nice, good, clean old truck. Go out and work with and have a retro work truck. 605-695-7391.